Previously on Football XOXO, the Reds have 4 downs to move the ball 10 yards toward the goal, or else the Blues will get the ball. A down is really just a try.
Then, if they succeed in moving the ball at least 10 yards to the 11-yard line within 4 tries, then they get another 4 downs to try for another 10 yards. Another 1st and 10.
A first down. Now maybe you've noticed in real televised games, and in our examples, these blue and yellow lines. The blue line is the yard line where each play starts. It moves around a lot. And the yellow line is the yard line the team with the ball has to pass to achieve a new first down.
So the blue line is the line we're on now. The yellow line is the first down yard line. But of course, these lines have more official terms than blue line and yellow line.
Yes. The yellow line is called the first down marker, as it marks the yard line to achieve a new first down. And the blue line is called the line of scrimmage, as it's the line the two teams approach to start a play, a scrimmage.
First down marker, line of scrimmage.
Sidebar, 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 with Elise.
The line of scrimmage. It's one of those football terms that sounds way fancier and way more complicated than it really is. Really. But you should know it. So, the line of scrimmage is the line that the ball is on. That's pretty much it. They call it the line of scrimmage because while it's the line the ball is on to start the play, yes, it's also where the two teams come to scrimmage. Maybe it would help to remember what the term means, unrelated to football. Different dictionaries define scrimmage as a rough or vigorous struggle, a confused fight or struggle, or a minor battle. So, the line of scrimmage is the lines where the two teams come to scrimmage, as it were. Besides knowing what the term means, you should know that there are a lot of rules around the line of scrimmage, who can and can't cross it. There are even terms about the edges of the lines and the neutral zones between the two edges, but that's for later. For now, just know that the line of scrimmage is the line that the ball is on and that each play begins. That's the line of scrimmage. Your new best friend.
And that was...
Sidebar, 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 with Elise.
So during a team's 4 downs to get 10 yards, or however many downs it takes them, the yellow line remains stationary.
The blue line, though, the line of scrimmage, will probably move in between each play.
These yellow and blue lines that you see on TV, though, are not real. They're computer generated.
Quite a fascinating piece of technology, actually.
Yeah. If you're watching a game in real life, though, you have to use your imagination to draw the line across the field with the help of these guys in the chain crew who hold the actual orange first down and line of scrimmage markers.
But thank goodness they've done the work for us on TV. It's a very helpful tool.
So, back to our game here. We left off with the Reds on their first down at the 21-yard line.
That means the line of scrimmage is at the 21-yard line, and the first down marker is at the 11-yard line.
Let's say that the Reds go through all 4 of their downs and don't gain a single yard.
Right. What happens then?
The Blues get the ball, just like that.
And that also has an official term.
A turnover, as in turning the ball over to the other team. But more specifically, it's called a turnover on downs, because the ball is being turned over to the other team because they ran out of downs.
Turnover on down.
Yes, and wherever the ball is when the Reds run out of downs, the 21-yard line in this case, the Blues get their first down from there.
And of course, the Blues are going the other way with the ball.
And then it goes again. 10 yards, 4 downs. They can hold onto the ball if they continue to achieve a first down.
And enough first downs, step by step, they'll make their way to their goal, the end zone, to score a touchdown.
There's still so much more to learn about American football. So here's an important element we haven't touched on yet in the 10 yards, 4 downs concept, the 4th down. And
I think that we should explain the difference between kicking and punting. And finally,
1 yard is about 0.914 meters. There's more coming up on Football XOXO. Now get out there and watch some football.
understand it and conquer the world.
where to put.